Hi guys, we will be unboxing the 300 watt solar street light, and just to give a overview of the all-in-one solar street light. So we have here the 300 watt solar street light all-in-one, meaning that the panel is attached to the light. It's very big. So this all-in-one solar street light, the power button is attached to the light. Ooh, this is a whole lot of light. Comes with a remote. You can use the remote to power it on, power it off. You can also use the remote to select the mode that you want. If you want it in the stay on mode, you select always and it will stay on. If you want it in the dim mode, you select induction and it will remain dim. Once movement is detected, then it will get super bright. You can also select the hours that you want it to operate for. If you want it on 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours. The light can also be set to auto, meaning that it will automatically turn on at night and automatically turn off in the morning.